Hi dear kids, today we are going to learn the chapter 2 addition. Yes, we already know what is addition is. Addition means putting together different collection of objects or adding together different numbers. Yes, we have already learned how to add numbers. In this chapter, we will learn how to add numbers with regrouping and story problems, addition problems, etc. Now, here we can see an example here. Mary has 5 cookies. Annie has 3 cookies. How many cookies do they have all together? Yes, do they have all together, which means we have to add them. That means 5 cookies and 3 cookies, we have to add them together. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This addition sentence 5 plus 3 equals 8 is known as addition fact. Addition sentences are known as addition facts. And the answer got 8 is called sum. 8 is a sum. So our answer here is 8. And addition fact is 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now, we will recall some examples we have already learned. Add. We have to add the following numbers. 12 plus 4, which means we have to add 4 to 12. What is the answer? 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. 12 plus 4 equals 16. And next number 25 plus 8. What is 25 plus 8? We have to add 8 to 25. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30. So you have to write the 33. 25 plus 8 is 33. Now we will see more examples here. Add 50 plus 20. We can see that 50 is a tens number, which means 50 is 5 tenths. 5 tenths. And 30 is 3 tenths. So both are tens numbers. To add tens numbers, we just have to add the tens place only and then put a 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. And now we have to put a 0 in the ones place. This is how we can add 2 tens numbers. Now we look into another question. 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30, both are tens numbers, 4 tenths and 3 tenths. To add 2 tens place numbers, we just have to add the tens place first and then put a 0. 4 plus 3, what is the answer? Yes, 7. And then you have to put a 0 in the ones place. This is how we can add 2 tens numbers. Now, we can add these numbers. 25 plus 4. Yes, to add 2 numbers, first you have to add ones place numbers. Ones place digits you have to add first. Here the ones place digits are 5 and 4. So here we have to add 5 and 4 first. 5 plus 4 is, yes, 9. And here, now we have to look into the tens place. Here, 2 is the number in the first number in the tens place. And here there is no tens place number, which means 2 plus 0. What is 2 plus 0? Yes, 2 plus 0 is 2. 29 is the answer. Now we'll see one more question. Yes, 42 plus 35. You have to put the numbers in the correct places, in ones and tens places correctly, and then add. Yes, we can see here that ones place numbers are 2 and 5. These are the ones place digits. We know that we have to add ones place digits first. Then only you have to go to tens place. Here, 2 plus 5 is, what is the answer? Yes, 7. And look, we have to go to next tens place digits. Now we have to add 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is, yes, 7. So the answer is 77. So this is how we can add two numbers. First you have to add the ones place digits. Then you have to add the tens place digits. Now we are going to learn how to add using hundreds grid. How to add two numbers in a hundreds grid. This is what we call hundreds grid. This square, which consists of numbers from 1, 2, 3, etc. till 100, put it in a square like this. Put it in a grid like this. This grid is called hundreds grid, which consists of numbers from 1 to 100. Now we will see how to add numbers using this hundreds grid. Yes, to add tens, we move downwards, and to add ones, we have to move forward. We know that tens numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. To move tens numbers, you have to move downward in the hundreds grid. You have to move downward, straightly down to add tens numbers. Now to add ones numbers, you have to move forward. You have to move forward like this, straightly forward. Ones numbers are, yes, what are the ones numbers? 1, 2, 3, etc. till 9. These are ones numbers, which consist of only ones place. Okay. Now we will see some more examples. Using hundreds grid, we have to add 25 plus 4, which means we have to add 4 to 25. And 4, we all know that 4 is a ones number, which means 4 is 4 ones, ones number. So we have to add a ones number to 25. Let's see how we can do that. So 25 is a number, and we have to add 4 ones to 25. To add ones, we have to move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 29. 25 plus 4 is 29. Okay, so the answer is 29. Now, our next question is 25 plus 10. We have to add 10 to 25. 10 is a tens number. So, to add tens number, we have to move downward. 25 plus 10. Let's see how we can do that. 25 is here, and we have to move 10. To move 10, we have to move downwards. 10 means 1 10. So we have to move downward 1 time. 1 10. So our answer is 35. So our answer is 35. Now let's see the next question. 53 plus 16. 53 plus 16. 16 means 10 plus 6. We all know that 16 is expanded form is 1, 10 and 6 ones. So to add 16, you have to move 1, 10 and 6 ones. To move tens, you have to move 1 time downwards, and to move 6 ones, you have to move 6 steps forward. So 16, 53 plus 16. Let's see how we can do that. Here, where is 53? Yes, here we have highlighted 53 and we have to add 16. 16 means 1, 10 and 6 ones. To add 1, 10, you have to move downwards 1 time. And you have to move 6 ones. To move once, we have to move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we reach 69. So, our answer is 69. This is how we can add tens and ones. To add 16, 16 is 1, 10 and 6 ones. So we have to move 1, 10, which means we have to move downwards 1 time. And to move 6 ones, you have to move forward 6 times. And we will reach the answer 69. So our answer is 69. 53 plus 16 equals 69. Now we will see one more. 65 plus 20. How can you add 65 plus 20? Yes, you have to add 20 to 65. 20 is 2 tenths. 2 tenths means we have to move 2 times down. Let's see how we can do it. See 65, where is the 65? Yes, this is 65 and you have to add 20 to 65. 20 is 2 tenths. To move tenths, you have to move downwards. 2 tenths means you have to move 2 times down. So our answer is 85. So 65 plus 85, 65 plus 20 is 85. This is how we can add numbers in a hundreds grid. Now let's do some more examples. Using hundreds grid, write the number which is 10 more than 15. 10 more than 15 means 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10. You have to add 10 to 15, which means you have to move downwards 1 time. 10 means 110. Let's see how we can do. 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10. 15. 10 is 110. So you have to move 1 time down. So our answer is 25. Answer is 25. 10 more than 15 is 25. Similarly, we can do next one. 20 more than 42, which means 42 plus 20. 42 plus 20. 20 is 2 tenths, which means we have to move 2 times down from 42. Let's see how we can do that. 42 is here. We have to move 2 times downwards. To add 20, 52 and 2 times 62. So our answer is 62. 20 more than 42 is 62. Let's do one more. 40 more than 52, which means we had to add 40 to 52, which means we have to add 4 tenths to 52. 4 tenths is we have to move 4 times down from 52. Let's see how we can do that. Where is 52? Yes, here is 52. And we have to move 4 times down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we reached 92. So our answer is 92. 52 plus 40 is 92. So this is how we can add tens and ones to any number using hundreds grid. Now we'll see how to add two-digit numbers. Add 22 and 35. Let's see how we can do it using expanded form. 22 is 2 tens plus 2 ones. 35 is 3 tens plus 5 ones. So we know that to add two numbers, first we have to add ones place digits. Here ones place digits are 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And now we have to add tens place digits. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 tens plus 7 ones. So 5 tens plus 7 ones. What is the answer? 57. We can do it like this also. Here 22 plus 35. First we have to add ones place digits. We will get 7. And then you have to add tens place digits 2 and 3 to get 57. So our answer is 57. Similarly, we can do some more examples. Add 25 plus 13. How can you add? First you have to add the ones place digits 5 and 3. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Yes, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we have to add the tens place digits 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is? Yes, 3. So our answer is 38. Now we can add 3 two-digit numbers. 35 plus 40 plus 13. First we have to add ones place digits. 5 plus 0 plus 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we have to look the next one. You have to add tens digits. First you have to add 3 and 4. What is the answer? 3 plus 4 is? Yes, 7. Then you have to add 1 to 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So our answer is 88. So this is how we can add two two-digit numbers and two three-digit numbers. First you have to add ones place digits. Then you have to add tens place digits.